I don't have any casing. Sir, why you following me? Stop, no, don't follow me. No, safe, no, safe. Taking. Sir, give me food. Sir, help me. I don't have. Sir, bayarin mo yung makors. Palpak ka talaga, guys.
Gago.
Sir, please. Sir, I don't have passport.
I don't want your pack.
Sir.
I don't want.
What do you want to me?
Oh my God.
Why?
Criminal violation, sir.
Sir,
Sir.
please don't do that. I have 4 kids and 2 girls' mother. Please don't do that to me. Sir, I have 11 wife and 11 son. Sir.
Fuck you, Kazuki.
Hey, sir, where you putting Oh, sir. You want to see my passport? I don't want to see your passport. Sir, I don't want to show you. Joke. Sir, you know who I am? You got the wrong person, bro. Sir, are you really?